Hey guys, this is how to block users on a Bluesky. So first thing that you will do is simply open up the Bluesky application. And now from here, guys, let's say I'm gonna block someone who I follow. So I'm just gonna simply go to my profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. And I'm just gonna simply tap on the following. And let's say I'm gonna block this one, Swift on security, and just simply go to their profile of the person that you want to block. And after that, just simply tap on the three dots on the right side over here. And now you will have here multiple options on the pop-up and just simply tap on block account. So just simply tap on that. And as you can see, block accounts cannot reply in your threads, mention you, or otherwise interact with you. So if you're sure about that, you can just simply tap on block, which is the red icon. And from here, you should be able to block this person. And if you want to unblock them, just simply go to their profile again, and you should be able to see the unblock button over here. And after that, it will ask you if you are unblocking this account. So just simply tap on unblock. And from there, you should be able to unblock this person. There you go. See ya.